Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go! Gravitational forces between three spheres on a triangle can be tricky, but we will solve this physics problem together in just a few quick steps. First, calculate the force from one mass m on the top mass 2m using Newton's law. This gives us 2g m squared over L squared for each side. Next, we must use vector addition because these forces acted 60 degrees. The horizontal components cancel out, so we only need to sum the vertical components for the total. Multiply the individual vertical force by 2 for the net magnitude. This calculation leads to the final result, which matches option B. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush to ignore vectors and trust the given geometry for success.